The number one question that I'm asked multiple times per day is, Alston, thank you for everything that you do, but what is the easiest way to make money online? And so in this video, I'm going to reveal, based on all of my experience, the easiest ways to make money online. In fact, there are 7 ways that I'm going to talk about in this video, and I'm going to rank them from easiest to hardest. We're going to talk about the pros and cons of each one of those so that you can make the best decision for you and your family. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, people are coming to me daily, whether it's on YouTube, it's on Facebook, it's through Instagram. They want to know the easiest way to make money. And so I usually tell them it really all depends on your circumstance, but in this video, I'm just going to tell you based on my experience. Number one, the easiest way to make money online is simply with completing ads and surveys. Now, I talk a lot about why nobody should do ads and surveys if they are truly interested in making money online, but it really is the easiest way. You are either going to watch TV on your computer or smartphone, or you're going to complete simple surveys where you don't really have to pay attention. While it's really, really easy, you're getting paid pennies on the dollar. For example, here in Wisconsin, the minimum wage is $7.25. I can guarantee you that regardless of the survey site, regardless of the website that you go to, you are not going to make $7.25 completing surveys or watching ads. So if that's a method that you want to go, you might as well go get a part-time job at McDonald's or Burger King. So yes, it's really easy, but easy doesn't necessarily mean that it's good. And so I think nobody should be doing surveys or watching paid ads. Now, this comes from direct experience. Before I started this YouTube channel, I was trying to find ways to make money online because we just found out we had twins. And one of the gurus at that time, claimed that one great way to make hundreds of dollars per hour was to go over to Swagbucks and complete surveys. After spending literally hours sitting on my couch trying to watch ads and complete surveys, I made less than $20. So I know from firsthand experience that completing surveys, while easy, is not the best way to actually make money online. Number 2 is completing gigs over on Fiverr and various freelancing sites. Now again, it's really easy to do, but it doesn't really pay anything. When I had my services listed over on Fiverr, I would get lots of people reaching out to me, but they wouldn't want to pay me really anything. For example, I had services listed for AWS, which is Amazon Web Services. This is a high income skill that can generate 6 figures per year out on the open market, and people would want to pay me $50 to set up very complex systems. Now, the problem more so with Fiverr is that it really is a race to the bottom. People are charging less and less, or willing to accept less and less, because there's so much competition. While I don't necessarily believe in competition, if you are going to use a marketplace like Fiverr, just understand that you're going to have an uphill battle in the very beginning, and so ultimately it's not worth your time. Now, you can be very successful with freelancing, but what I recommend that you do is actually create content based on your freelancing skills. So use YouTube, use TikTok, or even Instagram, showing people what you're able to do, and people will see that you have skills, knowledge, and ability, and they'll actually pay you for it, and they'll pay you much more. So let's say that you are a logo designer. Instead of going over to Fiverr and listing a gig that's competing with hundreds of thousands of other people, you could create a TikTok account showing people how you create logos. So what you could do is simply record your process. You can record your color scheme. People will reach out to you and say, hey, I need a logo. I see that you have a high level of skill. How much is it to have a logo done? And people will pay you much more for it. So doing freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour is certainly not worth it. Unfortunately, it is a race to the bottom, but it's easy to get started. You just list your gigs over there and people will reach out to you. Number 3 is actually WordPress developer. Yes, for a time, I was developing 5-page WordPress websites for small and medium-sized businesses. This is actually relatively easy to do. However, the challenge can be in finding clients. Now, what I would do is I'd reach out to small and medium-sized businesses in my area. I also use a website like Thumbtack. I also use Fiverr, which wasn't very profitable, and friends and family to start securing gigs. Now, again, building out 5-page WordPress websites is really easy. You just go over to a website like ThemeForest, you download a theme related to the small or medium-sized businesses, you make a few changes based on the customer's wants and needs, and then you give it to them and you walk away. Now, as I've mentioned multiple times on this channel, I can make anywhere between $300 and $3,000 per client. Now again, it's really easy. If you don't know how to do something, you just search over on YouTube, and usually YouTube has the answer, but the challenge comes in finding customers and finding customers over a long period of time. The other challenge with building out WordPress websites is its active income. And so the only way you're actually getting paid is when you have a client. No client, no money. So that is number 3. It's relatively easy. The challenge is just finding clients again and again and again, and dealing with clients that don't necessarily understand how websites work. They want a fancy website like they saw in a Fortune 500 company. However, they're paying you like a Fortune 300,000 company. Number 4 is actually reselling web hosting. Now, what I used to do to help me make more money with my WordPress business is I actually offered reselling web hosting. So think of yourself kind of like Bluehost, GoDaddy, some of those places. I would buy web hosting from a larger company, in this instance Name Hero, and then I would resell it to my web hosting companies. The reason why this is kind of easy is once you get everything set up, it's set it and forget it. People are going to pay you for months and years reoccurring just to have their website hosted. Kind of like the WordPress developer, it's kind of a challenge to find clients, to get them onboarded. It's kind of difficult to build trust. And the other issue is that you need a substantial amount of money up front. Nobody's just going to give you a block of server space for free. And so that's all something you've got to consider. Also, there is a lot of stuff you've got to do up front. You've got to set up your client accounts. You've got to set up the web hosting servers so that it can be resold to other people. There's just a lot of moving pieces in the very beginning, which can make it a little bit more challenging, but it offers reoccurring income on the back end, which I am a huge fan of. Number 5, which gets into a little bit more difficult but much more rewarding, is selling digital products. Now, I really love selling digital products because you simply make the product once and then you can sell it again and again and again. And there are multiple ways that you can sell digital products. You can use a marketplace like Creative Market or Etsy, or you can sell it on your own. Now, digital products can range anything between ebooks, they can be journals, printables, SVGs. There's a whole wide variety of digital products that you can create and sell. It's really easy to get started. You can do it for free. The difficult part is driving traffic. Now, when people say traffic, it just means getting eyeballs onto your digital product. And there are a few ways to do it. You can run paid ads with Facebook, YouTube, or even solo ads, or you can create content kind of like I'm doing now. And so again, it's easy to set up. The challenge is driving traffic. Now, again, you can create and sell digital products for free, or you can hire someone to do it if you don't have an eye for design. As I mentioned, the cool part with digital products is you simply create this once, and then you can sell it again and again and again. Now, you may want to iterate it and improve it over time, but it's relatively easy to set up. The challenge is driving traffic. That's where most people fail when it comes to creating and selling digital products. Now, it's something that you can do in any market, any niche, and it's very rewarding because you can make money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, number 6 is affiliate marketing. Now, this is medium hard, okay, but it can be incredibly rewarding. Now, much like creating and selling digital products, you're going to have a lot of work to do in the beginning, up front for the first 1 or 2 months. After that, it becomes much more passive, semi-passive. So what you need to do is you need to identify a product or service that you want to promote, then think about different ways to get in front of your target audience so you can drive traffic to that affiliate offer, and then you are going to create content. Now, that content can be free or it can be paid. Now, again, creating a YouTube video is content, creating TikTok account is content, or you can even use paid ads like YouTube, Facebook, or solo ads. Now, again, affiliate marketing is a simple process, but it's not easy by any means. You have to understand your target audience, you have to understand your customers' wants and needs, and you have to create content consistently to stay in front of them. Now, the other challenge with affiliate marketing is you don't get paid right away. Unlike these other ones that I've mentioned, you can get paid within 24 hours. With affiliate marketing, it can take 30, 45, 60, or even 90 days to actually get paid out. The other problem with affiliate marketing is you don't actually have the product or service, and so a lot of that is out of your hands. That's actually both a pro and a con. The pro to affiliate marketing is you simply are driving traffic with your content. You don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about delivering the product. However, the con with affiliate marketing is you don't have to deliver the product. You don't have to worry about customer service. So if someone is unhappy, they're just return the product or service and then you lose out on the money. But affiliate marketing is a very simple process. However, it is not easy by any means. As an affiliate marketer, I simply will create content to get in front of a target audience. I'll recommend products and services with my affiliate link, and I can potentially make money. Now, the 7th one and my final one is a venture that I just started. It's actually with Amazon FBA. Now with Amazon FBA and the way that I'm doing it, I am private labeling products from China and from other countries, and I'm selling them over here on Amazon US. Now it is not easy by any means. I am finding there are a lot of little challenges, everything from setting up your account to finding products that you can actually sell, now negotiating with suppliers. So there's a lot of upfront work once again, and then once you get a product listed on Amazon, it's just checking out that product every so often to make sure that it's selling, to make sure your ads haven't run crazy. But again, it's one of those things where it's a very simple process. You get products from China, for example, you sell them over here on Amazon, but there's a lot of little things in between that can trip you up. So in my opinion, out of the 7 that I mentioned, if you are looking for a way to get started, if you're looking for a way to put money into your pocket in the next 3 days or so, I would look at either WordPress developer, or I would look at selling digital products. Doing one or two of those things, you can get paid quickly, you can get paid a pretty good amount of money depending on the digital product, and there are a bunch of clients out there. Now comment down below if you want to learn more about either selling digital products or creating a WordPress website, becoming a small business owner and selling WordPress websites. Let me know in the comment section and I'd be happy to let you know. Now that you know my ranking for the easiest side hustles, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.